Sa news nakabutang nagsigawan kuno ang nagpalitan og works antay. Ha? Pag sure sila, uy. That's I really don't gel ace. That's not true at all. You know, I'm going to show you what happened earlier in the morning. So basically, it's raining right now. Mura siyag nag-hail. I don't know if you can see it, but it's raining. What happened earlier in the morning is that in this side, this is the pro-Duterte side. And in this side, on this side is the anti-Duterte. So, how can we make sigaw-sigaw or whatsoever to each other when in fact we are actually situated not in close proximity? That's so weird. That's not the reality at all. You know, I'm starting to believe that. Yeah, I don't know. I don't want to make accusatory statements, but that's not what happened in the morning. That's really not what happened in the morning. Nang kuya hatagig ko, yeah, you know, we would be lucky if we are given the opportunity later to talk, to even see him or whatnot. No. Present ka. Okay. So this is it. This is the place. See, there's a lot of news media outlets. Look guys. Ano siya, guys? This is the outside now. It's very weird na dili ta makadugay og live card. This is the exact address, guys. That's the exact address. Wala. Wala. Ngayong plane is going to be land less than ano.
Gani, nasa is pero basi daw dalon pag hospital for
Yeah, I think that's what they said na pag-abot niya sa Rotterdam, napay
Dalog Erasmus?
no, for a check-up or something because I think he needs that. Then he's gonna be flown here or I don't know, mag-car siguro.
I hope so.
Yeah. But yeah. So here's we stand with Duterte. Yeah. So nakakaiyak. Yes, exactly. It's really emotionally draining, emotionally exhausting. But in a good way because yeah, I don't know, this is history, huh? It's not something na it happens on a daily basis. No. And it's quite weird because how media outlets try to spin what really happened or what transpired. You know, earlier what happened in the morning, apparently it was put out in the news as if that all of the people who were there were protesting. And then nagsinigawan daw dito, nagsigawan daw. No, that's not true at all.
It's not allowed here too.
No, yeah. You know, ang nangyari talaga in the morning, we were very particular na dapat walang mag-ingay kasi ganyan. Kasi nga, we don't have a permit to gather.
Yeah,
So,
you will be arrested.
yeah. Otherwise, you will be arrested. You cannot make any noise or you cannot disrupt the peace of the place. You cannot do this and that, blah, blah, blah. No, that's not possible at all.